it's your girl Moshe. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Yeah, babe. So we are going to Cancun. Yeah, I'm excited. As I get closer to the airport, I get excited. Yo, wait a minute. I gotta address this because it just happened. Man, I'm driving, and as I'm about to get my camera out, I start to see the car next to me getting close. Y'all, when I say I was about in the grass on the shoulder, that was nothing but God. Like, and I literally honked my horn. I was like seconds away from getting hit and being in the median. And me and my mom just said a prayer on the highway, and she just said, like, make sure I be safe, getting there and getting back. And I said, make sure others around me drive careful too, because that's what it be, y'all. Like, it don't even be you sometimes. It be the people around you not paying attention. Like, so yeah, I just almost got smacked. But God, the only thing it was, because yeah, she got smacked with me. But anyways, we going to Cancun for Jordyn's 24th birthday, and we will be there. Today is what, May 2nd, and we will be coming back home May 6th, which is a Tuesday. As y'all know, Jordyn lived, well, y'all probably don't know, but I don't know. Jordyn lived in Alabama, and it's two other people going. They live in Alabama too. I'm meeting them there. We getting there at the same time though, like 4 o'clock, 3:51. So yeah, y'all, I'm excited. This is my first time out of the country, and yeah, we about to get lit. Yeah, we about to turn up for my best birthday. Like, yeah, you know the vibes. It's always the time. I'm getting to the airport at 8:06. My flight leaves at 10:21. Tried to be there like 2 hours early, but I'm cutting it. And I still gotta park my car and stuff, so yeah. I'm gonna get with y'all probably when I get through TSA and all that. What she say? Lord, please, where you are. That's crazy. I just got a prayer thing. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm out here waiting at the shuttle. The shuttle down there has been down there for like 5 minutes. Like, hurry up. Hurry up. I'm about to show y'all. Like, do y'all see it? Is it coming? No, it's not even moving. Come up some more. Because do they see me? Where's the other one? It should be too. Hurry up. What does this say? Wait here for shuttle. Shuttle operates 15 minutes for service. Increase call. I'm gonna call, cause come on. What the hell? 859-767-3106. Where y'all at? Hi, I'm at Shuttle 2. I was wondering how long for the next one.
Say that again. I couldn't hardly hear you.
I'm sorry. I'm at Shuttle 2. I was wondering how long for the next one. Yes, ma'am. All right, thank you. Okay. She talking about a 15-minute turnaround. I know that, but turn the around. Where are they going? Right here. I think they're coming around. They need to hurry up because it's 8:16. I don't know what TSA line look like or nothing. So I'm through TSA and I'm about to go to my gate. It really wasn't even that bad. I definitely was overthinking it though, for sure.
I didn't know her.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Y'all gotta stop me. Yes. Ready? Idiot. They dumb. Ain't nothing wrong with them. Ain't nothing wrong with them. You look. We're right here. Y'all so idiots. Where y'all? Okay, I'm making sure I got my 3. But I'm ready to eat and drink. Like.
Se ríe, güey. No sirve el otro.
No, solo este.
¿Qué te importa, loco?
Birthday girl.
Ah, una cadera.
I'm tired. Can we fit on here? Oh, I'll squeeze it.
The opposite way.
Hungry. Starving. I knew it. We just here waiting on our luggage.
Where are they real?
Say your name.
Tequila, mami.
Period. What that?
Bad Girls Club.
Hello, ladies. How are you?
We're alright. We good. And
Sorry, where are you going? It's Paradiso.
we gotta make sure these motherfuckers don't get it.
So it's Paradiso.
Here, we going right here. So I'll give y'all exact location. This right here.
Okay.
This camera is nice, honey. Moral story is this where we going. Y'all, let me show y'all the people just get anything happen and y'all find this camera.
Yes, please. I just said
This the man we booked with.
Hey, bro, you funny.
And this the supervisor. I don't play out of town, baby. We is in Mexico. And it's time to go. We're on a jail time.
Welcome to the best hotel on the world.
I see, friend.
Whatever you need, ladies, I am Raúl, I am the doorman.
B as a boy.
D-O-Y-D.
Y D. Yeah. And then hers.
That is only one. Wait,
Oh, okay.
wait. When you finish the checking in, this is for the bell boys. Now follow the lady. The lady will show your front desk, please, and enjoy your vacation. I keep your luggage inside.
Okay.
Paradiso.
Thank you.
Here's the other last name. I only have 2 people under this
Lori.
reservation.
Lowery. Yes.
Perfect. Let's go.
Make the best drink you can, buddy.
You better bring my luggage. Can't be too fluffy.
They're gonna bring it to the room.
Oh, I got my aircon in here anyway. Lemonade.
Hey, thanks.
Oh, that's what Devontae be drinking.
I'm
Oh,
gonna go
Jesus.
for the cranberry, a little bit of lemonade.
5?
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay.
See the white curtains.
Okay. Alright, bet. We'll do that. Lemonade. Escolar?
Bienvenido, señor. Buenas tardes.
For you?
Can I get the tequila? Can I do like strawberry? Or
Sorry?
no? Can I do strawberry?
No,
Oh, okay. Then I just do it like I do it like theirs. That's a voucher.
It was good to have to be here.
Somebody? Set?
Yep, that's fine.
No, it was just didn't know who to go to. We were scared to get on the taxi. We did.
Thank you.
It's my birthday.
Oh, that look nice. kicking it, girl. This a spot. Looks so nice. Let me speed up. Wait for me. I do it.
Oh, right now? Right now?
Yeah. It's there every day.
Okay, I ain't waiting around.
It looks so nice. Want some? Oh, we right next to each other. Cute. I know. I got the wristband though. I don't know. Okay, there you go.
This bag is, these two bags is in this one.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Well, I could have got these close.
Girl, I swear. I got to hit the restaurant.
Yeah, they told slap up. Let's take all that roll on.
Check your mini bar. See if it's mini bar. Okay, you want some drink,
Oh, wait.
water.
Put this in there, bro.
Okay, thank you.
It keeps blanking out.
Yeah, Instagram.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's a picture.
More.
Wow.
Y'all play all day, bro. What the fuck? What the hell?
I'm talking about in it. Well, good morning. Cancun won last night, obviously. I didn't even take my camera, as I should though, because we had a time. We had a time, obviously. My body hurt, bro.
Well, it's my birthday tomorrow.
Oh, it is. It is tomorrow. My eyes is greasy. I need to wash these lashes. My hair look a mess. Oh, that girl birthday tomorrow.
You gonna get banned.
Why?
Let me see.
I put hookah in there before.
What's up, YouTube?
It's your girl, Jordyn.
Make sure y'all subscribe to my and put my tag right here. Put my tag to my YouTube right here.
Look, I was like, I don't trust myself.
It'll be just my look. I make like
I dropped this in Miami. I dropped my.
Yeah, doubles is crazy. Doubles is crazy. We said singles, but alright. I'm scared. What the hell is it? What the hell? That's tequila, friend? Friend, that's tequila? Oh, 'cause I'm scared. Because,
Yes.
see. Salud.
Justice! One more chance, one more chance. Okay, DJ. He needs a better song. Better song. Una canción mejor. Una mejor.
Jordyn, get the fuck off. I have not been vlogging. I keep leaving my camera in the room, and I think it's the best that I do that. Cause I'm through. Nigga, it's a smackdown. I'm through. Look at me. It's cute before I left. I'm through. I just threw up, y'all. This is a mess. I didn't even go to the beach. I will show y'all Jordyn. She is smacked down too. We been having a ball. He said good morning. It's breakfast. Lost track of time, but we had a ball. I need some water or some spray or something. Sometimes when I'll do those, but they cool though. Oh, she's so country. She talking about that 50 right with me. She ain't even 50. What the hell? I'm trying to gather myself. We go to the club tonight. I'm really trying to get myself together. I haven't even been recording to show y'all. But Cancun been winning. Cancun been whooping my, for real. Cancun up 1,000. We down negative 1,000. Oh, she cracking up too. Do y'all want to see how bad Cancun been winning? Look, I got something to show. Look at this. Look, y'all. It's throw up on the balcony, bro. Finish. Oh. What the hell? Bro, did you even know that worked? Oh. I got that on camera. You popped it? Oh,
I think all the lights just went out.
we blew a fuse.
I think I blew it.
Oh no, they gotta come fix it.
We in this whole.
Oh, my phone's still charging.
Yep.
No, they gotta come fix that, boo.
Because
Try to see if the phone work. Oh, the phone still work.
no, right here, my best friend.
But I can't see the numbers to try to call.
Girl, turn the flash on your phone.
Oh, I thought you was gonna do it.
Oh my god.
Why would you do that?
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Oh, what is this? Siri? What number do I press? I don't know even.
What's on this?
Speaker.
That'll be funny. Girl, hang that phone.
Don't say that shit.
He told me, have y'all ever seen that movie Take It?
Lock the door.
I'm scared.
That means if the fuse blew, y'all can't charge y'all phones.
Nah, my phone's
No, her
charging.
phone is still charging.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all good.
And the phone's still working. It's probably this side and just
Mo,
like.
just call the number, bro.
What number?
I don't fucking know. I can't even see this. Room
Bitch.
service.
Room to room. Oh,
It's calling.
what happened?
Where the phone at?
Right here. I got it on speaker. Hello?
Hey, wait.
Put it back on speaker though. That's what I just pressed. That before.
This.
That's what I'm saying. I pressed that the first time.
Bro, I'm finna put my game right on that.
I don't think the phone working no more. We gotta hang
What
up.
if a whole bunch of Mexicans just come here?
That's not funny, bitch.
I'll jump off that balcony.
I didn't crack a smile with it.
These Mexicans not. I just wanted to fix my lash. I
Hola.
just took all these lashes off.
Oh, now it's not ringing no more.
Girl, take it off speaker. This scared me.
You scared me with that eye.
All I can do is hear me. Hear me.
mama told me, and I ain't gonna remember that truck company.
There you go. Okay. There you go.
Alright, there
It
you
wasn't doing that at first.
She's on speaker.
Hola. I think we blew a fuse in our room. We blew a fuse.
No, the fuse blew, bitch. I
The fuse blew.
What, ma'am?
The fuse blew in our room. The lights are off. No lights.
Light out your room?
See.
On the balcony, do you mean?
No, room.
Roof.
Room.
What roof?
Roof.
The lights,
No lights in room.
The roof or the light, madam?
the
Lights.
room.
In
The
the
light. You don't have electricity?
No.
Did you try to turn the master switch next to the door?
See.
Can you please
Bro,
try to
stop
turn on,
to them in
please?
fucking Spanish because they respond in Spanish.
It's not working.
Did you try?
She don't
See.
fucking Spanish.
Just now, ma'am?
See. No mas. No mas electricity.
Okay, but did you try to turn the master switch?
Yes.
The who switch?
Hello?
In the morning.
No, yes.
Did
See.
you try to turn the master switch?
Let me see, friend.
Yes, please.
All right. Turn. No mas electricity.
Thank you.
Gracias. So y'all, hopefully they come and fix the electricity. Then we gonna get ready for the club. It is 9:12 p.m. I'm gonna try to take a nap. I'm tired. I don't even think I showed y'all what our resort looked like for real. Hopefully I'll show y'all tomorrow. I'm not taking my camera tomorrow though, because we're going on a boat party. I'm not messing up my camera. I'll try to record on my phone though to show y'all. So yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, friend. Yeah, friend. Yeah,
We can go that first.
Lightheaded, I'm hungry. Hey, you trying to hurry up? And then got her customers. Yeah, exactly. I do that shit. Because me's the most important part. I don't even know where to start before. I'm fucking stupid. I see you walking. Oh, it fell. Oh my God.
All right. Here we go, DJ Jordyn from Ohio. Happy motherfucking birthday, Jordyn. Oh, you want more? Professional alcoholic. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, you Mexican, girl. Fuck Kentucky. All right, you Mexican. Here we go. Mommy, walk like a sex model. Now it's out from Kentucky. Oh, damn. Oh, you saw that look she gave you? All right, Kentucky. She shakes that ass like this. Damn, she's serious. We gonna do this song. I wanna see this song.
They said this motherfucker already rocking. what time in the morning?
It looks scary. No.
How you train them?
They chase the black one.
Oh wow.
What you caught him when he was young? You got him when he was young?
Well, I keep hitting my leg against this thing. Yeah. I'm about to fall. Oh shit.